Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to print a packing slip on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and print a packing slip for some of the items that you've sold. How do you actually go ahead and print that packing slip for an item on eBay? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, we're first going to hop onto eBay. Then we're going to click on sell, and then we're going to click on all orders over here. So again, the drop down menu, click on all orders. And let's take, for example, this item right over here. You're going to click on these three dots and then click on print packing slip. Another way you can do it is that you could actually click on this checkbox, and you could also click on shipping and then print packing slip and more. So if you do decide to do it the checkbox way, you could actually select multiple items. So you can see now I've selected 35 orders. I can click on this, and then I can click on print packing slip and more. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and print a packing slip on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.